Okay, last one here. So this next one, bed mass comes into effect. We are looking at D equals 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And we're also looking at these ones up here. So we're looking at A intersects B, which has already had a union with D. So bed mass comes into effect where we need to do our brackets first. So first we're going to decide what is the union between B and D. So remember, union means or. So we have all these numbers and we have all the numbers that are in B. So these are all even numbers here, and then we have 5, 10, and 15 as well. So now it's asking us from A, what numbers are in common between basically all three of those things? So to look at A, I have 3, which I don't have in either B or D. I have 4, not in B or D. I have 6, that is in D. So it's going to be 6 is my first number that I found. 7, nowhere to be found anywhere. I'm going to go to 9. 9 is in neither of D or B. I'm just counting across along 12. I'm using these numbers, and every once in a while throwing in a new one. 12 we have here in D, so 12 is going to be in this set. 15 is my next one in A. 15 is in B, so it counts. And then I have 18, which is in D here. So the numbers basically that are in A and B or D. Now this next one's asking us the numbers that are in A or B, but also D. All right, so A and B, I'm just going to use a different color to hopefully make things easier. So A and B. So this is A or B actually, because we have, no, it's not, it's A and B. So which numbers are in both A, which numbers are in both A and B? So that's going to be basically only 15. That's the only number that's in A and B. Now we have and, so we have or D. What's in A and B? Or in D. So we are going to have all of D plus 15. Now, when we write these, we basically always want to put these in lowest to highest order. So we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18. All right. So last one here, I'll just do it in blue to avoid even more confusion. And I'll just, so I can show my numbers. So I want to look at numbers that are not in A or not in B. So A prime, numbers that are not in A. B prime, numbers that are not in B. Now remember, my universal set was the numbers from 1 to 20, actually 1 to 19, including 19. We're not actually including 20. This was natural numbers less than 20. So we are looking for ones that are in neither A or B. So we are looking at, basically, we're going to count from 1, and we're going to find ones that don't line up with either. So if I just can hopefully give myself a little more space here, we are going to have 1. Yep, that's going to be in our set. 2, that's in neither of those, so it's going to be in this set. 3, no, I see that in A. 4, yep. 5, nope. 6, nope. 7, yes. 8, in neither of those, so that goes in my set. 9, I see that. 10, I see that. I don't see 11. I see 12. I don't see 13. I don't see 14. I do see 15. I don't see 16 or 17. And I don't see 19. So that set is And that is it. So those are just the answers to the first few. The homework questions that we are going to do is all of them. I know it seems like a lot of questions. The tough part about this stuff, though, is you got to start using the language, and the only way you can get better is to work on all of the questions. So if you have any questions, please email me or send me a message on a remind. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. You cannot leave until the bell goes. Thank you and have a wonderful day. How do I turn this off?